Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the power and volume button flex on the Nintendo Switch gaming console. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the device. Next, remove the rear cover by unscrewing 10 screws. The screw number 5 is located beneath the kickstand. Open it to access it. Additionally, there are 2 screws near the charging port, one near the fan, and a central screw on each side. Note that the rear cover is primarily secured by the middle screw on the sides. Once all 10 screws are free, gently pull out the cover from the body. Next, remove the screw securing the SD card holder. And then gently disconnect the plug to detach the card reader flex from the body. Next, undo 6 screws holding the shield in place. And then use a pry tool to release the unit from the body. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the heatsink from the body. First, undo 3 screws securing the unit, and then gently lift the unit using a pry tool. Next, take out the game card reader slot from the board. First, lift the lever and slide out the digitizer flex. And then disconnect the game card reader plug from the board. Next, undo 3 screws holding the game card reader board, and then gently pull out the board from the device. While undoing the second and third screws, there is a headphone bracket to pull out. Next, undo 3 screws securing the fan. Next, lift the lever and slide out the fan connector flex, and then gently pull out the fan unit from the body. Next, lift the lever and slide out the power volume flex connector from the board. And then gently pry the cable away from the frame. Use a tweezer to carefully release the adhesive. And then gently pull out the not working power volume button flex from the body. Next, place and secure the new power volume flex cable in the body. Gently insert the buttons into the frame slot and secure the cable on the body. Next, secure the power volume flex connector and fasten the lever. Next, place the fan in the body and secure the fan by adding 3 screws. And then insert the cable into the slot and secure the lever. Next, place the game card reader board and secure the connector to the logic board. Next, secure 3 screws with the headphone bracket. Next, secure the digitizer flex plug. Next, place and secure the heatsink in the body. Ensure the proper placement and fasten 3 screws to secure the heatsink. Next, secure the battery connector to the board. Next, place and secure the shield by adding 6 screws. Next, place and secure the SD card unit and then secure the connector. And then fasten the unit by adding the screw. Finally, place and secure the rear cover by adding 10 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.